Hi my lovely angels, good morning. Today's video is a haul from Five Below. So recently I saw a few items. Instagram gets me every time, you guys, and I saw a few lovely items from Five Below, and I wanted to just do a quick unbagging of these items right here. So stick with me, hit like and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started with the video. And we're gonna switch to audio for the remainder of the video.
Remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if